Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Currently I have my. I'm just focusing on one pair like goal. Yeah. To have my focus just one thing at the moment, and I have just a minute, like this. I try to follow this angle of one by one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, cur- and currently it's halting,
What
and
about
I
yesterday?
see.
Did you see gold yesterday? Because yesterday is where it started the story.
Yes, here is another angle of one by
Yeah.
one of uh one what is it, the lunar angle,
Yeah.
and it I have another angle of the Mercury here. It's quite close to each other and create a very strong bottoms, and it going up. And yesterday, I see this trend of active market. I see active market, and then I actually entry over here, around here, and then I got take profit around 2004,
Yeah,
and then
beautiful. I called that trade yesterday in the webinar, in the Square 9 webinar.
mm,
Did you see the
yeah.
Square of 9 levels there though?
I haven't touched the square 9 level just yet because I'm just doing just angle currently at the moment, and today uh, the price is currently holding at this level, and it's creating, I I'm guessing, three tops here. Let me draw it down. I hope this one. Three tops. One, two, three. Like this. And as soon as it's crossed this level, I entry
What did you
uh
enter? Short?
long,
Long, a
just
fourth time through, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah, I just took that
fourth
long as
time through.
well. That's so
Mm.
funny. Nice.
And yeah, I the target for my take profit, I kind of combine this over here with the Fibonacci retracement ruler. Just that's it. And my stop loss is somewhere in the 2002, around that mark here,
Mm-hmm.
around these bottoms. That's it. That's my
Beautiful.
current. Yeah.
Great. Did I show you the Jupiter angle on the monthly?
Uh, I believe you did.
Right? So yeah, so we've been coming
Yeah,
down nicely off that.
yeah. It's somewhere around this top, and
Right. Right.
I'm expecting it would react very strongly at the level of 2020.
Mm-hmm.
I will be looking at like closely follow that mark to see any further setup.
Yeah, for now, looks like we're gonna push up going into New
Yeah.
York. If we can break this high here to the left.
Mm-hmm. This one,
Yeah.
2008, around that.
Mm-hmm. Great. So, what would you rather do? Would you rather me go through other markets, doing a top-down analysis with geo angles, or would you rather me like show you the square of 9 with gold?
Is there? I would like a complete process of like a combination of the process of the
Right. Okay.
two
So so I'll
courses.
take it. Is there
Let's
another
do
market
gold.
you want to look at?
Yeah, but I think just focus on gold at the moment. I will.
But we've done gold. Like
Yeah.
you want to see another situation so you can
Oh,
understand.
I see.
If I like you've
Let's
already we have gold and analyzed all the way from the monthly down to the 5-minute right now. So
mm, mm. Hmm.
so we need another
Let's
market.
see the pair. How about currency pair?
Yeah, sure, whatever you want.
US dollar. US yen.
Dollar
Dollar
yen.
yen.
Okay, so I'll
Yeah.
take the screen and then we'll do a
Sure. Sure.
complete top down. Okay. So it's always a good idea when you're starting with a new market to go to the highest time frame and see what cycles are playing out here.
Mm.
Dollar yen's actually in a really interesting spot here
Mm.
because we just broke a high level, right? We hadn't touched it since 98, and then we broke it a couple years ago, came down, and now we're back here again. Right, so what I'm trying to do is group tops and bottoms and see where the market is initially, okay?
Yes.
Now when I'm zooming out, I have, these lows that I can take squares from,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm gonna disregard these highs, right? Why? Because the slope's gonna go out this way, so it doesn't really make sense. And then if this slope comes all the way down here, something like that, then I can just keep moving it up to these lows and see what lines up, right? So for monthly, we have Saturn and Jupiter. I'll actually try from here. So we have a low here of 222.70. And I'm going to subtract 3,600 pips. So that's simply going to be 36 for a yen pair. And we get 186.7.
Sorry, which angle are you using?
Well, either one is going to be 360 degrees,
Yeah.
right?
I
Whether it's
mean,
Saturn.
of which planet?
Well, yeah, well, we can do both off the same level,
Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah,
right?
yeah.
So now that I have my degrees, which is the same, I can count my time over. So first what I'll do is get my Jupiter scale from this low, which is going to be 144 monthly bars. And we'll color code it so we don't get confused. And now I just extend out once more to 354. And that's going to be Saturn. So now what I can do is delete all this so we don't get confused. And looks like the Saturn slope would be, oh, right there. Any questions on what I did here, my process?
No, not yet.
Perfect. What do we have
So
here?
basically,
Wow.
you go from top down,
Top
right?
down,
From the
exactly. What I'm trying to do, right? Gan says wheels within wheels, right? Wheel within wheel, from the Bible.
Mhm.
Describe that tunnel through the air. So we have cycles within cycles, and the higher cycles are always going to take precedent. And we have a nice halting period here. So first, what I always do is make sure price is in a halting period. And we can see we're in a larger one over here.
Yes.
And a smaller halting period here because we rushed, and now we've made 1,
Two top.
2, 3.
Possible 3. Yes.
Okay, so the scenario here, the way I would approach this now would probably consider this distribution already, just because we've popped up here over a long period of time.
Yes.
But I wouldn't be so convinced right away that we're going to head down from here, right? We have to solve that on the lower time frames, but I would still consider this, distribution on the
Distribution.
monthly.
Oh,
And so this would give me a bias to short,
yes.
even though based on price ahead of time, right? So it would be a monthly signal, right? Once we create that form.
Mm-hmm.
But for the moment, like we can say, hey, this is a distribution. Whereas if we caught it down here, we'd say, oh, it's just a reaction. We can expect to move back up because it's going to at least make a second top. But since we've come down again, made a third top, what I'll look for now is price to move on a lower, price to move lower now, but we have to confirm that. So after the monthly, we can drop down to the daily. And let's try this high over here. 145.073. This time it will be plus 0.36. We get 145.433. $88 bars will be Mercury. And I think that's enough at this price action. So why would I consider this top pretty important? Why do you think, Trung?
It's create a triple tops at the previous high, and then its price is currently holding there.
Exactly. But also, right, this high is what initiated the break of this support and then a huge downtrend.
Yeah. Okay.
This
The
point right
initiation
here, okay? So, and
point.
then
Okay.
confirmed by exactly what you said. So I would, I would call this a triple here. What does Gan say fourth time, right? Remember when we went over the example, we said now it's basically 50-50. So here's a situation where the probability is 50-50, at least on the daily.
Mm.
At this point, right? Because yes, we're rushing, but we're rushing into a previous angle here that already produced a move down.
Mm.
Chances are this can go up and be fourth time through. Let's see if we came from a triple bottom. Yeah. So what's the trend right now? Trend is up and we're in a rush. Okay, so we haven't seen distribution, right? So we have a halting period right here, prices rushing up. And even though we've come up to an angle here, we can say this equals accumulation. Right, from here. So this was accumulation. We had a trend up.
Yes.
Right? So what would be, there's distribution being formed on the monthly, but definitely not a signal yet. So that's not enough to keep us away from going long. At the moment, price is rushing. Right? We've only had a little bit of a reaction here, and we've kind of pulled off this angle right here. So let's go down to the 1 hour. Yep, looks like we came back, halting again. I would take probably a lunar angle from here. High 149.576. And I'll add 13 pips. So 149.706. Okay. And what do we have on the 1 hour? Well, looks like we have 1, 2, 3. Because we're rushing on the daily, right? I'm not going to short this, even if we get a signal.
If this is a sell signal, if what if and then it would be crossing the lower bottom to confirm that, right?
Over here?
The
No,
upper
because
one.
right now, what could
Mm.
happen is we have 1, 2, and 3, but it hasn't given us a signal yet. Now, since price is rushing up, right? Remember, we're rushing on the daily time frame.
Yes.
And we've come from accumulation, so the trend hasn't changed. We're still looking for longs.
Yes.
Right? So what we might want to wait for is price to cross here, the highest high of the triple top for fourth time through. And we can go down to the 5-minute and see possibly a triple bottom already beginning here. 150.202. $150.112. Oh, oops. Did I do 9? Yeah, I did 9. Okay. And 72. Then we have an earth angle here. So here's the H1, 1 top, 2, 3. And I'd wait for 4 up here. I wouldn't fight the daily rush right now. Any questions, Trung?
Okay, I'm following.
Following?
Not yet. Yes.
Okay, let's switch over to you. Now you can try one. I'm gonna watch you do it, okay?
Mhm.
You can pick any pair, any market you'd like, and we'll just work through it together.
Well, let's do the offering oil. Monthly. This one. The monthly. Just take.
Right, so identify, you see how we're like at a double bottom kind of thing, maybe possibly a triple bottom?
So the slope would go from up or
Yeah, somewhere up
down.
there like 2014. See that those lows, those
Oh, this
as it's
one
gonna be.
pointing down.
Yeah. Or from that one of those highs before it went to zero, sloping up.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I would try those 2 points first.
Yeah. Let me just quickly draw it. Too slow. With 30 point. And for this will be 3.6. This one will be 30. Let me do the quick calculation. 367 minus 3.6.
No, here you're on the monthly, right? So you have 144 bars Jupiter or 354 bars of Saturn.
Oh, I was confused with the daily. So it should be 144. Yeah.
Yeah.
Minus 3.6. Let's see. Okay. And try plus 37. 37.27. And point 67. Another is
Hey, John, can you excuse me for just a minute?
yes.
I just gotta grab a
I will
delivery,
quick
sorry.
yeah, I will quickly draw the RV
Yeah, draw it
angle
out and then you
at
can
the moment.
explain it to me in just a minute, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, okay, from the monthly, I try to mark with the angle, and then from the low here over 2012,
Mm-hmm.
I see a triple bottom, no, a double bottom here,
Mm-hmm.
or a slope up from these tops. I also see double bottom. So suspecting it's going up from here for a while on the monthly.
Right. So we have signs of accumulation.
Yes. Okay. This, and then moving down to the daily.
Mm-hmm.
Well, at this point, I just delete this angle, right?
Yeah, you can delete them if you'd like.
Mm. Now with the Mercury on this top, up, no, probably lows. Okay, I'm choosing and low angle here with 88 or and mark this 78.74, 78.74 minus 6 and 0.636. Eight. Wait, scale I took is kind of wrong
How do you know it's wrong? Right? You can
because
check from price.
the slope is reaching horizontal.
Yeah, so that's not going to be right.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Sorry. 3.6. I'm suspecting the slope of the monthly is wrong as well because I took the price scales of 3.6
Yeah, you should have probably taken 36.
of the monthly.
Yeah. And so you'd need to take it from a low with a value above 36. Like somewhere where the low was at 50 on the monthly and then subtract 36.
Hmm. So I should do it again.
It's okay, you can go through that. We can keep going.
6 give me 75.4.14. 5.14. This here. This one is Mercury. 74. Okay. Let's do a slope up. This one. 22. Up from this slope.
Looks like you have possibly ascending bottoms there.
Ascending bottom, like 1, 2, 3.
Yep. And then 4 and 5 are higher.
Wait, wait, I haven't seen it yet. Like 1, 2, 3,
Yep. Then we cross.
4,
Yep.
and 5.
Yeah.
Kind of like that.
So that shows extreme strength. So we could be heading back into the 90s.
Yeah.
Right. So based on, right, what conclusion can you make here on intraday, right? You probably don't want to be shorting oil.
Mm. Or extremely careful. Be careful. Yeah.
Yeah, or just wait for it to line up with the accumulation.
Mm.
Like if you see a short setup, let it be, and then wait, because eventually, higher probability it's going to make a bigger move to the upside than it did to the downside.
Yeah. So for the monthly going up, on
Yeah, sure.
the daily going up. Now moving down to the 1 hour.
Yeah, let's go to the 1 hour.
So just take 2 level. Just get the angle first. 24. This take slow is 75.49. 49. That would plus 0.09.
1-3, right, for lunar?
Luna is 1, 3. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not the 9. 9 is the 5-minute chart. 0.13.
Mm-hmm.
75.62. Minus 5.36. 6. Okay. The moon. Okay. Okay, so from this point, I probably slow. Either here or here is fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would take from the bottom also before the high.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Or
No, you had it.
this one? Like
Even
around
one
this
more up where you had it originally.
here.
A little higher. You see the little two little wicks there?
Here?
The low before the high. There it is.
Below this one.
No,
Either one is fine.
there's two candles, two little candles with wicks there.
Here, this one.
No, you don't see it. It's right above you where your cursor is. There's like follow price up, and then where does price go? Where your moving
Down.
averages. Those candles where your moving averages.
This here.
No, right beside it. Strong, strong over one, then down. That's a wick right there. You don't see it. You're right on it, Strong.
Here, this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So so I take either angle is fine, right?
Yeah, well, what you're looking, both are valid. You're looking for price to square out with one of them. At the moment,
Mhm.
it hasn't even made one bottom on it. Like it's gone through, right? It hasn't come up yet.
Mm. So from this one, I can only see it's rushing, possibly somewhere like this, and it's come down.
To be honest, the 1 hour is super unclear.
Mm.
And I would probably go like go with what we said on the daily, and then I would go down to the 5 minute in this case.
Because it's still made haven't made any tops or bottom like twice, at least
Yeah, it's
twice.
just kind of like rushing back and forth.
Mm. Okay, so let me go down. Oh, I see. It's halting over here
Yeah, there it is. And you
on
can take
this
an angle
point.
from up
Yeah,
there.
over here.
Hmm.
Slope up or bottom down.
I would take a slope down from one of those lows.
Yeah. Okay. Is it because of it is a bi angle, so we take the slope down,
Exactly.
or
That's
just
originally what we're looking for.
mm,
Right? Remember
so
the
this one.
forms? Form 8, 9, 10, 11?
Hmm. I haven't uh practiced the form just yet because
Yeah, so that's if you're wondering how I'm looking at which highs and lows to go through, it's based on the forms. I'm just letting those forms guide me.
I do not quite understand that form, but I understand. Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I just got a phone call. Sorry, this one is 77.43. 77.43. This one would be related to the 90-degree angle, so 0.09. Yes. 0. Okay. I have a habit of drawing both both angles, slope up and down, and then
Yeah, why
look
not?
at.
Whatever helps your process, just so
Yeah.
you can work through it.
Okay. Whoa. Eyeballing it. Earth angle. Earth. Okay, sharper than the 1 hour. My God. Lows,
Yep.
lows. Over here. Just move this somewhere else. So this is on the 5 minutes, and from what I can see, a
Price is squared out with that low,
possibly
right?
yeah, accumulation. Accumulation.
Exactly. And that makes sense, even though the 1 hour doesn't look clear, it does make sense on the from the daily time frame that we were looking at, right?
Yeah, this one is the fourth time, but it's going down. How do I analyze this? I can only see like it reacting with the angle at the moment.
But it's
And
crossed the swing, right?
oh yeah, it's crossed this swing.
Yeah.
Where is it? This one, right?
Exactly. We came back below there, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, in this case, I would look for the square of 9 as well. I would go down to I would look for square of 9 levels and see where the sun is, and that will make things a lot clearer.
Mm.
So we can do that if you'd like.
Okay, let's do it. Square of 9. I kind of hate to do this because and for the boy, I'm stuck here.
Where?
With oil, do I just take the whole number?
Right. So
Mm,
oil, right? You have
yeah.
7691 right now. It's floating, right?
Mm-hmm.
So because we want, remember, the square of 28, the center of the square is the strongest. We want to bring the number the closest to the center of the square. So we'll use either 1691, or we can use 0691 and see which fits better.
1691. Okay. 1691 is 1000 around that, or zero would be close to the 600, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
so
one six.
we have two options we can use to bring it closer to the center of the square by switching 7 to 1 or switching
Mm-hmm.
7 to 0. But I can only see your trading view chart, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me share the entire screen. Where is it? Screen. Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you need to do is add more squares,
Squares.
exactly.
This. I turn on the sun and UTC, everything is in place. Okay, I will find the price of, what is it? 1691.
Yes, exactly. That's what you plug in.
1, boom. It's over here, and I'll zoom out to see where the sun is. I have trouble locating the sun.
So here, Trung, I'll
Yeah,
step by step. Let's go to the ledger to the left,
left, okay, here.
and let's scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you see here all the degrees.
Of the planets.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so what degree is the sun at?
it's 327.
Right, so it's the sun that we use is going to be at 327, the cell number 327.
Like this. Cell 327. 327. Boom, where is it? Oh,
See?
oh, I see. Just, okay. Get it? Okay, get it. And then I will draw out the diagonal. So don't confuse me. Over here. This one. Hey, this level right here. Let's just mark it. This one. It's going outbound for this angle.
Do you have to add another? What are you trying to find?
Yeah, just meet this price at the moment over here. For the down angle, I got it, but for the up one,
No,
so
it could be shorter because it goes around the square. So go to the numbers, hover
yeah.
over the numbers on that angle,
Okay.
and
See,
follow from.
kind of
Yeah.
like this. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so there's a horizontal there as well.
Yeah. Boom. Cross. Then it could go in this way.
Yeah, but Trung, you're looking at the distance of the angle instead of looking at the numbers because you have to study how the square of 9 is built in order to
Hmm.
understand how to use it.
Oh, so from this point, I suspect
Just wait
it
a
would just
second.
go.
Just wait a second. Just wait a second.
Okay,
On the first diagonal that you made to the upside.
this one. Oh, this one.
Yeah. So what price
Okay,
level are you in? You're at one what? One something, right? 1.6 something?
this one.
Yeah, 1.709. Okay, so follow that to the
Mm-hmm.
corner. Go up, follow the number.
This
Oh,
one.
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Follow one by
going
one.
up.
There you go. Wait. Trung, listen to what I'm saying. Okay, you got to the number.
Okay.
1723. How does the square of 9? No. How does the square of 9 work? It moves to the right now.
Okay.
You have to
This
study the square of 9. That's ABCs. Where does 1724 go now? It's to the right.
this one this way,
Yeah. Now keep going. Keep going,
and
keep
we meet
going, keep
this
going.
one.
Boom. There's your diagonal.
And then I go across
And
like
there's
this.
important for you to notice here, Trong, why is the distance different? Because if you notice, the sun isn't in the center. The sun has moved to another quadrant. And so the numbers closer to the sun will have less of a distance from the sun. Right? This is much clearer if you just plot the levels every day and watch it.
Yeah. So I just go like across like this.
Yeah, but let's get some levels now. Let's put in one level above.
Okay, so is this one would be what is it? 79, 7. I lost.
Yeah, so 1691. So level above that would be 17. Go up.
1709.
09. Okay, where's oil
Yeah.
right now? Let's go back to the chart. Because we have to test the levels first. Okay, so 7709.
09. Boom. Yeah,
Okay,
the top.
but now let's get the next level after that and see if it makes sense.
732. 23. 723.
Yep.
723. 723. Oh, just 1 point. Can you wait a little bit? Need to reply to the text here.
That looks good.
Yeah, okay. Can you
Let's
wait?
go lower. Let's go one price lower. Let's see if we've rested on a square of 9 level. Let's see if we're coming from one.
Um, can you wait for a moment? I need to reply to the text real quick.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, okay, let's resume.
Awesome.
Yeah, this one, we got this high, and then
Yeah, so let's
we
get a
go
low.
across
Let's see if we balanced on one. So go down.
over here,
No, let's move down to the bottom of the square.
bottom of this square over here.
No, just move the like the bar, like so I can see the bottom of the square.
Oh,
There we go. You see that the first diagonal? Let's follow it. So go down 1691, go down to the corner. No, that's not going to be it. That's not going to be it, Trump. Remember how it's built. It's going to go back and turn right.
This one, this is the current level, and
Follow
then
sell
go
by sell. Follow sell by sell. Watch
here.
watch what it
This
does.
is jump the price.
Keep going to the corner. Yeah. And then
So
at the
what this
corner,
one?
what happens? Nope, you jump to
Should we?
1849. You see that go up?
Oh, to see just the 16 and then 18, we stop
No, it turns right.
this one, and then I turn right.
There
This
you
one.
go. No, but yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean,
16,
if I
1679.
see, yeah,
So
let's
let's go
see,
put in 7679.
79 like this.
Very
Oh,
nice. What do we
cross the
see? We're
low.
resting on it right now.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, you see why it's important,
oh.
Tron?
Mm-hmm.
Right, so okay, so square of 9 is going to give us a lot of information here. What do we see? That we've been resting on that 76, 79
One,
level. We actually made a
three,
triple
four.
bottom there and crossed that swing level together with the angle.
This one like resist, but then it retests over here.
Right, exactly. So
Mm,
that's that. So it's still a valid accumulation. You might want to
mm.
wait now for the open or for news, wait to see what happens, and then just continue with this move up, right? Because right now it could be fourth time at that level.
This one.
Yeah, and
Mm.
then what could happen is it could break through and head lower.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, I quite confused because it look like four bottom up here.
No, but okay, so once you see that large bottom that broke everything,
Mm-hmm.
I
That
restart my count retroactively. So that's 3, then I go back 2, then I go back 1.
so this one is like the first low, second low. You can
Yeah, you
reset
can
it like
restart
that.
it. You can restart it like that, exactly.
Yeah. So if I interpret this right, it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, fourth time through, and then it rejected. So this would count, restart it, count it as one.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay.
So 1, 2, it should cross this high,
Yeah,
right?
it needs to cross that swing again. Or not that swing
Like
again, but the
this one,
larger swing
this
that
one,
it made. Yeah, the
this
larger
one.
top.
Yeah. Oh, and it crossed the square of 9 level as well.
Then that would
And
be
so this one, the very important point here.
yes.
Mm. So it might look like this. One bottom, two bottom, and two tops over here, and it's going round
Right.
somewhere here. We need to wait for the confirmation and looking for buy more than sell.
Exactly. It's not about going after every signal, but waiting for the signal that makes sense with the higher time frame analysis that we did.
Mm, mm. We have a long bias.
Exactly.
Mm. Okay, so then I will just wait for the signal.
Right. And you could also add oil. You could add UK oil and watch the lows for divergence.
Mm,
So you could put UK oil side by side with US oil and then wait for divergence as well for confirmation, or see
mm,
if we're coming from divergence already.
mm. Okay, the diversion one, I got the concept.
Awesome, Trung. Any questions?
No?
Well, that brings us to the end of our course. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a lot.
Mhm. Okay.
Obviously, I'm still available always for questions. So you still have me on
Mm,
Telegram if you want to send me charts. If you want to
Oh.
ask what I'm looking at, all that, you feel free and welcome to continue to communicate with me. And you have the webinars as well, Square of 9 and Divergence. Those will keep going. And you can, you know, when you're ready, put them all together, and then also get some help from me. I'll help you put them together as well. It's just a matter of practice, okay?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
yeah, if any questions do arise, just let me know. And that's it.
Okay. Just one quick question about this
Sure.
Square of 9, locating the levels. I noticed that when I going down like 16, when it's jump to 18, I go back here and then start
Right.
moving across. Yeah.
So what you
Okay.
want to do, Trung, is print out the Square of 9 blank. Okay. Start at the center and count.
Center of this.
No. Start at
The
1.
sun.
Start at 1.
1.
Yeah. Where's 2?
Two over here.
Where's
2,
3?
3, 4. It's going down like
There
this.
you go.
Okay. But just to find the relevant levels, right? Relevant levels.
Yeah, Trung,
To the
I do
price.
it every week in the webinars. Are you watching the webinars?
No, not yet.
No. Okay, so go watch the webinars, and if you have any questions, you let me know. That's what I do them for.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sean.
Yeah, no problem.
This one is super clear.
Awesome. So yeah, be in touch, okay, Trung? I'll speak to you soon.
Yes.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.